Hey there, it's Zainul Abidin and welcome back. Today is probably the day 4. I just forget the days, whatever it is. It is, yes, the day 4 of me explaining to you this book here, Shikwa Jawab Shikwa. So, without wasting any time, I'll start reading out the next stanza. थी थे हमी एक तेरे मार का आराओं में खुशकियों में कभी लड़ते कभी दरियाओं में दी अजाने कभी यूरोप की कलीसाओं में कभी अफ्रीका के तपते हुए सहराओं में शान आँखों में न जचती थी जहांदारों की कलमा पढ़ते थे हम छाँव में तलवारों की. There was no such difficult word here, so I'll start. The Iqbal said, we were the only ones who fought for you. Marka Raum means that we were the ones starting in the start of the line, fighting for your dignity. Sometimes we fought on a dry ground, sometimes we fought inside a lake. Means in wetty condition, like we even fought in uh, like the conditions in difficult condition, like sometimes it would be dry and sometimes it would be wetty condition, but we still fought for you. We even uh, give azan in the middle of Europe, sometimes in the heat of Africa, in the middle of desert, only for you. दे शान आंखों में न जचती थी जहां दारों की कलमा पढ़ते थे हम छाँव में तलवारों की. That for your love and dignity we didn't bother our life. We didn't bother our life. We present our lives to you. We preached Islam and we prayed under the sword. That sword was on the edge of our neck, and we on still we recite your name. हम जो जीते थे तो जंगों की मुसीबत के लिए और मरते थे तेरे नाम की अजमत के लिए. थी ना कुछ तेग जनी अपनी हुकूमत के लिए सर बगफ फिरते थे क्या दोहर में दौलत के लिए. कौम अपनी जाजरो जा कौम अपनी जाजरो माले जहाँ पर मरती बुत फरोशी के इवज बुत शिकनी क्यों करती. It is, I think, better to me if I explain this line by line. So I'll now explain it by line. हम जो जीते थे जंगों की मुसीबत के लिए, we only live on the for the sake of fight and nothing else. We didn't live for our own life. और मरते थे तेरे नाम की अजमत के लिए, and we only die on for your name, for the dignity of your name, for the betterment of Islam, for the betterment of preaching Islam. थी ना कुछ तेग जनी uh, तेग जनी means what to say, I say greed, that we didn't have the greed for the land or for the government, for the power. थी ना कुछ तेग जनी अपनी हुकूमत के लिए, that we didn't do this all of this fight for the power, for the government. सर बकफ फिरते थे क्या दोहर में दौलत के लिए, that if we were fighting on life, we have necks sword on our necks. We're doing for only for the money. Who does this? Is there any person who is willing to die, who is willing to fight a whole army just cause of the money? No, it was only pure love for the sake of God. कौम अपनी जो ज़रो माल यहाँ पर मरती बुत फरोशी के इवज बुत शिकनी क्यों करती. Means a group who is very known to for engaging in his in money, who loves his money. Should why did this group, I don't uh, in my mind, I don't call the word comb in my mind. I don't know what it is called in English. Nation. Yeah, nation. A nation who is only worrying for money. Why did it worry uh, for selling the idols, and why did it disbelieve of these idols? If it was only for money, they would sell these idols, and people, have faith at that time on these idols. So in this stanza, Iqbal clearly saying that we only die for your dignity. We didn't have anything for ourselves. We didn't want it for land. We didn't fight for the government. We didn't fight for the power. It was only for the preachment of Islam and for love of the God and the Prophet. If we wanted money, why would we do that? We just sell the idols to the disbelievers, and we would make money out of it. Very beautiful and powerful lines. That was it from today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It will probably be my day 5 tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.